Beneath the moonlight, here I stand, taking off your smile, soft and glass, your shadow down in gentle love, making the night feel warm and fresh. Moon will keep my heart tonight. Hold me feel I can speak the light through the quick, through the gentle longing. Your light remains softly comforting. Stars are shining, watching us in play. Remembering laughter, holy cake, I reach for you in my dreams so near, through far away, your warm sweet Moon will keep my heart tonight. Of the feeling I can speak light through the quick, through the gentle longing. Your light remains softly comforting. If only time could pause I want, I stay near you, sharing every smile. The night will fade, the dawn will wait, sweet memory linger in my eyes. Moon will keep my heart tonight, warm my feelings till they'll be light, through the quick, through the gentle longing. Your light remains softly comforting.